It is a very good morning to all of you. A very good morning. It's a very what do we get sunny day today. और जैसा मैंने सोचा था, I told you all that today we'll be doing the quiz from lesson 1 and 2. We had done quiz day before yesterday when I took the class from the school only, and I gave you the quiz was from very first lesson, and the question was from my side. Okay, I have prepared the questions for you people, and I have divided you people into both the sections, and I gave you the questions, and there was no option at all. Now, today what we are going to do, we are going to do the quiz. Something changes there. Yesterday only I have told you people that this time it will be you who will be asking the questions to your opponent class. ये इसलिए अच्छा है, it will enhance your speaking power, it will enhance your question making power, है ना? At least for asking the questions, you're going to frame the questions. मैंने आपसे कल ही कहा था कि you have to frame at least 5 questions from these 2 lessons. ठीक है? Ashwini Sharma is raising his hand. Yes. So 1 and 2 मिला के 5 questions आपको बनाने थे, और आप, many of you, very good. Now I would like you people to raise the hands, those who have prepared the questions. जिन्होंने question prepare किया है. Good, good. Let me be in the gallery mode, then everybody. Virtually how to talk. Sorry, actually how to talk. So that I can see how many of you are prepared. Like this. Good. Better. Priyesh, you have not prepared the questions. Have you
Mom, I have
prepared
prepared a question. Mom, I have prepared a question.
Now see, the rules for the same will be, listen to me, all of you. Listen to the question. You can put your hands down, all of you. You can put your hands down. Actually and virtually both. Now see, the rules for the quiz shall be like this. All of you have prepared 5 questions. And now, it is a possibility, there is a possibility that what question you have prepared can be prepared by somebody else also. Isn't it, Bhumi? Think of it, जैसे मैंने कोई question prepared किया first lesson से. First lesson was all about, second lesson was all about plants. तो मैंने मान लो 5 क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर किया, उसमें एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन है जो मैंने भी प्रिपेयर किया और भूमि भी प्रिपेयर किया, और आपको चांस पहले मिला भूमि टू रीड द क्वेश्चन. जैसे मान लो आपको बोला गया फर्स्ट, भूमि रीड द क्वेश्चन, व्हाट यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड. तो मैं 5B की स्टूडेंट हूं एंड यू आर फ्रॉम 5C, यू आर आस्किंग द क्वेश्चन टू मी. द क्वेश्चन कैन बी, व्हाट नेम द 2 टाइप्स ऑफ रिप्रोडक्शन दैट टेक्स प्लेस इन प्लांट. मैंने भी सेम क्वेश्चन प्रिपेयर किया था. तो आप ध्यान रखिए, यू हैव प्रिपेयर्ड 5 क्वेश्चंस. अगर वो क्वेश्चन पहले पूछा जा चुका होगा तो यू विल कट दैट क्वेश्चन. आपके पास 5 क्वेश्चन तैयार है, यू विल कीप ऑन कटिंग द क्वेश्चंस इफ इट हैज बीन आस्क्ड. अगर किसी ने भी पूछ लिया हो ओपोनेंट टीम का, तो आप उस क्वेश्चन को काटते चले जाएंगे. Am I right? You will be given chance only once. All of you will be given chance only once. तो जो क्वेश्चन पूछा नहीं गया है, you will be asking that question. I hope I'm clear to everybody. Am I? I'm unmuting. I'm giving you the option to unmute yourself. Tell me whether if there is any problem. Am I clear to everybody?
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम दोनों चैप्टर से 5-5 बनाना था ना.
No. No, you were supposed to make only 5 questions from both the chapters. दोनों मिला के 5.
Ma'am, which chapter?
Okay. Somebody is asking.
मैम मैंने दोनों चैप्टर से 5-5 बना लिया.
अभी कुछ बच्चे विद चैप्टर बोल रहे हैं, ये मैंने कल भी दिया था आप लोग को व्हाट्सएप में, that you have to prepare question from lesson 1 and 2. Put your hands down, all of you. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. Put your hands down. The first question shall be for 5B from 5C. So first question will be from, पहले हाथ नहीं उठाओ, don't raise your hand. It will be from 5C to 5B. तो 5C के बच्चे हाथ उठाए, those who want to ask the question. आशुतोष 5C, unmute करो. आशुतोष. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. बाकी 5C के बच्चे हाथ नीचे करें. बार बार बोलना नहीं पड़े. हाँ, आशुतोष, ask the question. 2-5B.
One example of dispersal of seed by wind.
By?
Wind.
फिर से बोलो.
One example of dispersal of seed by wind.
Okay, the question is you have to give one example of dispersal of seed by wind. Priyesh has raised his hand. Priyesh, give the answer.
Mother.
It is
Ma'am,
Madar.
Madar.
It is Madar. Right here, Ashutosh?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, it is right. So 1 marks for 5B. Unmute yourself, both of you. Now 5B, it's your turn. Aditya Naman, unmute yourself. Aditya Naman, unmute karo.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, you ask the question.
Give one example of reproduction through leaf.
Give one example of reproduction through leaf. The question is for 5C. Bhumi Singh, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, bryophyllum.
It is bryophyllum, right? Very good. Now, next from 5B, Shahan Abdullah, ask a question. 5C, sorry. 5C. Ask a question to 5B. 5C से कौन पूछेगा? समृद्धि. Samriddhi, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Human tongue can have around 2.
What 2? Incomplete question it is.
Human tongue can have around dash to dash.
What? Can have what? Human.
मैम वो birds बोल रही है.
हाँ?
मैम birds. Taste buds.
She is asking about the taste bud. Okay, taste bud. Who will answer this question? बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. तभी तो पूछ पाएंगे ना. 5C के बच्चे हाथ नीचे करो. It is a 5B. Niyati Mohini, give this answer.
2,000 to 9,000 taste buds.
3,000 to 9,000. Now, Samriddhi, did you get it?
Ma'am, 2,000 to 9,000.
2,000 to
Taste
9,000. Samriddhi, did you get this answer? Sahi hai?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So it is 5B. 5B got another 1 point. Next 5C. 5B के बच्चा पूछेगा 5C के लिए. शान अब्दुल्ला अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Question.
What is the measure of the smallest bone of our body?
What is the measurement of smallest bone of our body? 5C, the question is for you. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे कीजिए. आपसे मैंने पूछ लिया और आपने अगर नहीं बताया तो आपकी क्लास को नंबर कमेगा. If you know the answer, then only you raise your hand. 5C. Measurement of smallest bone of our body. Satyam Singh, bolo.
1/4 of the centimeter.
Shan, is it right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Now it's 5C asking 5B. 5C.
Ma'am.
Karthik Sinha, ask the question to 5B. Karthik,
Yes, ma'am.
bolo.
Yes, ma'am. The tiny pores present on the leaf.
Very easy question. Tiny pores present on the leaf. 5B. कोई एक बच्चा हाथ उठाओ. Just a minute. बीच में कोई नहीं बोलेगा. नीचे सारे जो बच्चे हैं वो कोई हाथ नहीं उठाए हैं. 5B. आर्या मित्तल बोलो. आर्या मित्तल unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
The question for you was from Karthik. Karthik बोलो क्या question था? फिर से.
Tiny pores present on the leaf.
Tiny pores present on the leaf.
क्या?
What is the tiny pore present on the leaf called? 5B. Arya Mittal. ये तो मैंने परसों भी पूछा था और ये तो बहुत इजी क्वेश्चन है. आर्या मित्तल, पहले वीडियो ऑन करो. What is this? Very good. So since Arya Mittal could not give the answer, it is 0 for 5B. Karthik, give this answer.
Ma'am, stomata.
How many of you say it is stomata? It is stomata. Yes. Now, 5B. Answer question to 5C. 5B. अनुषा श्रीवास्तव, आपके हैंड नहीं रेज है. 5B. कौन पूछेगा? Pradima Singh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
How many bones did human have in their neck? How many bones did human have in their neck?
Okay, how many bones does a human have in its neck region? Okay, 5C. The question is from Pradima Singh, 5B. 5C का कौन बच्चा बोलेगा? 5C के बच्चे सिर्फ hand raise करो. Rajkumar, give this answer.
And 7.
फिर से बोलो. 7. Ridhima?
And 7.
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
Correct. Okay, it is for 5C. 1 marks. Okay, now 5C. Who is going to ask question? Akshat. Question पूछो.
Ma'am.
Akshat.
Ma'am.
हाँ सत्यम बोलो. रुक जाओ. Wait a minute. Akshat.
The smallest bone in our body.
Smallest bone in our body. 5B. Are you ready for that? Smallest bone in our body. Utsav. Okay. Give Utsav. Give answer. Give the answer. Utsav.
Ma'am, stirrup.
Stirrup. Where is it found? Where is it found, Utsav? इसका location कहाँ है?
In ear, our ear.
Very good. इसका
An
location
ear.
हमारे ear में. Good. Very good. Now, 5B, you got 1 point. 5B, now it's your turn to ask a question to 5C. Those who are unmuted, again, I request you to either mute yourself or don't talk. 5B. Shan Abdullah, do you want to ask a question? Shan? Bolo.
Yes, ma'am.
Bolo.
Seychelles coconut are found in.
Seychelles coconut, yes. ये कहाँ मिलता है हमें? Very good. It's from, do you know? 5C. बाकी बच्चे hand down करो तो. Put your hand down. Only 5C students will raise their hand. 5C. Seychelles coconut are found in. Very good. Okay. Kshitij Raj, bolo 5C.
Ma'am, what is the question?
ओए, तो क्वेश्चन नहीं सुना ना? चलो क्वेश्चन रिपीट कर दो एक बार. श्यान, क्वेश्चन रिपीट करो.
Ma'am. Seychelles coconut are found in.
Seychelles coconut
Ma'am, I
are
don't
found in. The question shall not be passed. हमने पहले ही कहा है, क्योंकि ये क्वेश्चन मेरा प्रिपेयर किया हुआ नहीं, क्वेश्चन कोई पास नहीं होगा. ये क्वेश्चन आपने ही बनाया है, तो the question shall not be passed. If you lose, your section will lose the marks. Sorry, you lose. Shan, give the answer.
Ma'am, near Africa in the Seychelles Islands.
It is found in Seychelles Island in Africa. ये double coconut होते हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना?
Yes, ma'am. They are also known as double coconut.
Yes,
ma'am,
they are
उसमें
also
दो
known as
coconut
double coconut. Very good. So
Yes,
it
ma'am.
was 5B who was asking question to 5C, and 5C lost. 5C. Now it's your turn.
Ma'am.
Bhumi, ask the question. Bhumi, ask the question.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am,
Bhumi,
name the Indian scientist. Ma'am, name the Indian scientist who proved through his experiments that plants have life. Which instrument has he invented? For what it is used?
Very good. Now see, the question is again from the do you know only. Name the scientists who proved that plants also have life, and you have to name that instrument as well. चलो इसको थोड़ा इजी कर देते हैं. भूमि ने थोड़ा टफ क्वेश्चन पूछा है. Let it be easy. At least you name the scientist. At least you name the scientist. 5C. Any 5B. Only 5B students will raise hand. Arnab Kashyap has raised his hand. Bolo.
Ma'am, what is question?
ये क्या तरीका है? What is the question? Where were you when she was asking the question? And why you raise your hand if you don't know the question? Bhumi, repeat the question, please. You muted yourself. Oh, the question asked by Bhumi was. Bolo.
Ma'am, name the Indian scientist who proved through his experiments that plants have life. Which instrument has he invented?
Name the scientist, Indian scientist who invented that plants also have got the life. You have to name the instrument also. I made the sentence bit question bit easier. You have to only name the scientist. Arnav, name the scientist who proved that plants also have life. 5B. Since you are not able to answer the question, you'll be getting 0. काम करते हैं, इस क्वेश्चन को मैं पूछती हूँ. You'll not be getting marks, but Utsav, if you want to give the answer, you can give the answer.
Okay, ma'am.
बोलो. Utsav, बोलो.
Ma'am, Jagdish Chandra Bose.
Jagdish Chandra Bose was the scientist who proved that plants also have the life, and the instrument was.
Ma'am, he invented the crystallograph. Ma'am, through which he.
It is crystallograph.
Ma'am, through which we
The
can.
instrument was crystallograph.
How about the rate of the growth? And ma'am, उससे हम लोग ये check कर सकते हैं कि what is the rate of the growth of the plant.
Okay, now this Jagdish Chandra Bose was such a scientist. उनका तो ये भी मानना था कि अगर plants के बगल में if you play a music, वो उसको enjoy करता है. It relishes. उनके हिसाब से तो ऐसा था कि अगर plant कोई है और if you play a music around it, you will see the plants मतलब dances. उनका तो ये मानना था कि ऐसा life हमारे living being की तरफ lead करते हैं. Plants also cry. उनके plucking of flowers हो तो they also cry. So he proved that plants has got life into it. So it is very sorry. 5B is 0. 5B. Now it's your turn to ask a question. कहाँ गई समीक्षा? समीक्षा पूछो question. Unmute करो.
Yes, ma'am.
Question पूछो.
The backbone is
Samiksha,
connected.
Samiksha, you have to be louder.
The backbone is connected to the.
क्या?
The backbone is connected to the.
The backbone is connected to the what? किस सेंस में? दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछो. ये इनकम्प्लीट क्वेश्चन है. दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछो. Ask another question, Samiksha. तुमने 5 क्वेश्चन बनाए हैं ना, तो दूसरा क्वेश्चन पूछो. इंस्टेंट पूछना चाहिए ना.
House cricket can hear through the
Did you get the question? What she was telling? Utsav, can you repeat the question? I couldn't hear.
Ma'am, she was saying that cricket, it is an insect. It hears through which sense organ?
Okay, chalo. The question is for 5C. The house cricket hears through it. Which organ? Yes, chalo. 5C, तुम्हारे लिए क्वेश्चन था समीक्षा का. 5C के बच्चों का हाथ मुझे नहीं दिख रहा है. आशुतोष, चलो बोलो. आंसर दो.
leg.
हाँ?
Leg.
Legs, it is right. सही है?
Yes, ma'am.
क्यों उत्सव? फिर कैसे?
No, ma'am.
फिर कैसे?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
उत्सव. अच्छा, ब्रेक करते हैं 2 मिनट का.
मैम मुझे वो वाला क्वेश्चन याद आ गया पहले.
कोई बात नहीं. सुनो.
मैम पहले वो क्वेश्चन.
Listen to me, उत्सव. अभी एक 2 मिनट का ब्रेक करते हैं. Before I forget, I want to tell you something. Your 4th periodic examination shall be there very soon. You'll be getting the notice about it. Your portions for that shall be lesson 1 and lesson 10. Fuel. Sorry, composition of air. Lesson 1 and composition of air. Did you get what I said?
Yes, ma'am.
Lesson 1, my body. Lesson 10, composition of air. Bhumi, समझ में आया?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, 5C should be asking for 5B. 5C. Shanvi Ranj, ask a question to 5B student. Shanvi.
Yes, ma'am. Define seed dispersal.
Wait. हाँ, बोलो Shambhavi. बोलो.
Define seed dispersal.
Very easy question, Shambhavi. Okay, 5B. Who is going to answer the question? 5C के बच्चे तो हाथ नीचे करो पहले. तो मुझे 5B दिखेगा. Shreya from 5B. Shan Abdullah, Mohit Ranjan 5B. Niyati Moini, Aditya Naman, Vanshika Sharma. चलो Vanshika Sharma बोलो.
The process of dispersal of a seed for far away place from its mother plant is called seed dispersal.
Dispersal of seed from a faraway place from its mother plant is called seed dispersal. Absolutely right. Vanshika, you're right. Okay, now it's 5B who will ask the question. Vanshika, unmute करो. Question पूछो 5C से. म्यूट कर लिया, कोई बात नहीं, चलो बोलो. वंशिका अनम्यूट करो.
Yes, ma'am.
बोलो.
Dash is a disease that causes joint pain, swelling, and stiffness.
5C, very good question. Name the disease which causes a joint pain and all. 5C, कौन बोलेगा? हाथ raise करो. 5C. सत्यम सिंह. नहीं, सत्यम सिंह ने जवाब दिया. No, he will not give the answer. सत्यम नहीं बोलोगे भी. पहले मैं देख लूं यहाँ से कोई बोलेगा. शानवी बोलो. जिन्होंने जवाब नहीं दिया उनसे पूछते हैं. शानवी.
Yes, ma'am. Arthritis.
फिर से बोलो.
मैम क्या मैं उसकी स्पेलिंग बोल सकती हूँ?
अच्छा, ये अच्छा तरीका है. आपको स्पेल करना नहीं आएगा, बोलना नहीं आएगा, तो स्पेलिंग बोल देंगे. अच्छा, बोली दो स्पेलिंग.
Ma'am, ARTHRITIS.
It is arthritis. बोलो मेरे साथ, शानवी.
Ma'am, arthritis.
Yeah, it is arthritis. Good. Okay, now it's 5C, your turn. 5C आपका टर्न है पूछने का. अनुषा श्रीवास्तव, क्वेश्चन पूछो 5B को.
Yes, ma'am.
पूछो.
A healthy breed tree can produce up to dash seed a year.
How many
Ma'am.
seeds a year? Very good. Shreya, unmute करो. बोलो Shreya, 5B.
1 million seeds.
Very good. It's approximately 1 million seed. Very good. Now 5B, Utsav, ask a question. Utsav, तूने question पूछा है?
No, ma'am.
चलो question पूछो.
Okay, ma'am. Let me ask.
कितना question बनाए हो?
The hole which allows water to enter the ice is known as.
फिर से बोलो. Again, repeat the question.
Ma'am, the hole which allows water to enter the. Ma'am, can I ask with lesson 1?
हाँ, हमने कहा it was your choice. चलो पूछो.
Bones are made up of carbohydrate, fats, protein, none of these.
Bones are made up of.
Yes, ma'am. Which nutrient?
क्या बोला? Option क्या है?
Okay, ma'am. Carbohydrate, fats, protein, none of these.
Okay, see, 5C. The question is, bones are made up of. He has given you the 4 options. Carbohydrate, protein, none of these, and what was the first one?
Fat.
Fat.
Ma'am, carbohydrate, fats, protein, none of these.
Carbohydrate, fat, protein, none of these. Who is going to answer this question? 5C. 5C. Ridhima 5B की है, श्रेया 5B की है, सत्यम सिंह. चलो सत्यम सिंह बोलो.
Yes, ma'am.
कौन सा?
Ma'am, protein.
What's up? बोलो.
Wrong.
Then what is it?
Wrong.
Then what is
Ma'am,
it?
none of these.
None of these.
None of these.
Protein help us to grow, बेटा. Worn out tissues को करता है. तुम्हें option दे दिया none of these. So sad.
मैं समझ गया तक ये जरूर puzzling होगा.
5C का बच्चा तुम्हारा. 5C. Carbohydrate energy देता है, fat energy देता है, protein worn out tissues को ठीक करता है. None of these. Minerals हैं वो हमारे. Calcium and phosphorus. उत्सव से ये बदला ले लिया ना? Yes. Okay. ऐसा कुछ नहीं होना अभी भी है हमारे पास. 5C, now you ask a question. 5C.
Now I will have.
चलो सत्यम सिंह तुम बोलो. क्वेश्चन पूछो. सत्यम सिंह तुमने क्वेश्चन पूछा है?
Yes,
Have you
ma'am.
asked a question?
Yes, ma'am.
तुमने क्वेश्चन पूछ लिया है?
No, ma'am. अभी तक नहीं पूछा है, ma'am.
चलो पूछो जल्दी पूछो जल्दी.
A rabbit have how many taste buds?
A rabbit has how many taste buds? 5B. बाकी बच्चे हाथ नीचे कर लो. 5B. A rabbit has how many taste buds? बाकी बच्चे मुझे लग रहा है they are taking the help of their book. Ashwini Sharma, unmute yourself and give this answer. Ashwini, unmute करो. क्या हो गया? हाँ बोलो.
Yes, ma'am. 17,000.
Ashwini, he has said 17,000. Satyam,
Yes, ma'am.
what
It
is the
is
answer?
right.
He is right now?
Yes, ma'am. 17,000. Yes.
Now it's 5B. Last है, last question रहेगा. 5B पूछेगा 5C से. Last question रहेगा.
Ma'am, can I ask? Ma'am, can I ask?
See,
Ma'am, I have-
I'm saying, can I ask? I'm going to mute everybody. 5B. Let me see who has not given any question answers. 5B. एतियाक इकबाल तो एक बार भी वीडियो नहीं ऑन की है. मैं इनसे कुछ नहीं पूछने वाली हूँ आज. Very bad. प्रियेश रंजन, ask a question. तुमने क्वेश्चन पूछा है बेटा? प्रियेश, have you asked a question? हाँ तो पूछो. पूछो.
Which is the most delicate organ in our body?
Which is the most delicate organ in our body? ऐसे नहीं पूछ सकते. हमारे बॉडी में बहुत सारे delicate organs हैं. Ask some other question.
Ma'am, most delicate. Ma'am, most delicate.
You asked another question. I'm telling you now. हम किसी को भी नहीं बता सकते। अगर कोई कहेगा डेलिकेट तो हार्ट इज ऑल्सो डेलिकेट ऑर्गन। चलो,
A child born with more than how many bones?
we have an adult human being has 206 bones, but a child has, a newly born child has how many bones? 5C. 5C. Who is going to answer this question? हम ह्यूमन बीइंग को 206 बोन्स होते हैं, लेकिन न्यूली बॉर्न बेबी हैज गॉट रेयांश। चलो बोलो।
Ma'am, 300 bones.
इट इज अप्रोक्सीमेटली 300 बोन। 206 होते हैं बड़ों को, लेकिन बच्चों को ये 300 बोन होते हैं, राइट? इट इज
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, राइट?
It's right.
काउंट करें?
Yes, ma'am.
ओके प्रियेश, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 for 5B, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, again 7 for 5C. Wait, now what to do? Consecutive 2 times 5C1. No, it was very good for 5C and a very best effort for 5B. 5B has also shown their efforts. Very nice. It was only 2 students who have not given the answer. Randomly you were selected and you had not given the answer. That is why you got the wrong zero marks. Otherwise, 5B had also been shown their best. Okay? So nothing to worry about. एक बार rapid fire 2 question पूछूं? उत्सव, do nothing to worry about. हाँ जी, चलो।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
लो, अब हमारा लास्ट मिनट चल रहा है, तो एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं। How many bones do, मैं 2 बच्चों को अनम्यूट रखती हूँ। 5B से एक बच्चा है और 5C से, देखती हूँ कौन बच्चा पहले जवाब देता है। चलो, 5C से मैंने रखा है अनुषा को, 5B से उत्सव। Name the, how many bones does a brain have, skull have? Sorry, skull.
Ma'am, 8 flat
Ma'am,
bones.
8 flat bones.
Now see again, Utsav, it was you who gave the answer afterwards. It was Anusha who gave the answer first. Yeah. Okay, it is 8
No,
flat
ma'am. मैंने
bones.
पहले किया था, मैम।
अच्छा अच्छा, कोई नहीं।
मैम मैंने पूरा
कोई बात नहीं, चलो। तो दोनों विनर्स हैं, बिकॉज 1 मार्क्स का डिफरेंस इज नॉट अ वेरी, बहुत दूर का डिफरेंस है, ऐसा कोई बात नहीं है। ठीक है, तो हम कल जो क्लास लेंगे, हम लेसन 1 ही
मैं
करेंगे
चैलेंज
फिर
कर
से।